didn't know that was a crock food.
Yeah, I didn't know about the crock food either. Yeah. Bro thought he lost his boarding pass. Bro was crying. Bro was crying. He thought he lost his boarding pass. Oh, baby, you gonna be able to reach? Yeah. 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 214.
Go back. Go ahead. Let me see some. Come on. Yo. Hey. Ooh. Damn, go ahead, bruh. Yo, Drakes. What's that again? Stop filming me. Confidential service. You ain't even gotta touch your own suitcase, man.
You got me?
I got you. Watch it. Niggas been lifting. You feel me?
There go my. Woo. Yeah.
Suitcase at, gang? Oh, it's right there. Lex, where your suitcase at, gang? Oh, it's right there. That's crazy timing.
No way.
That's crazy timing.
Hey, I told Boom, the room is not ready,
Unfortunately.
but there's food. I'll be back in a second.
Chilling, man. Get your nice little real chef.
Oh yeah, I'm coming back for that. I'm here for this ribs for Showski. What is that? Chicken? Nice. Salmon? Yes, please. God did. Je vais me prendre comme genre 2-3 assiettes là, no keys.
In the Bronx, we eat good.
God did.
Let's rate the food, gang.
Ay. I told you, when y'all get a chance, you eat guac? Guacamole?
What'd you get?
Wow. We got room, got down.
2.2 or 2.6?
2.645. Damn.
Kind of slow. Let me see the key.
Yo, what we doing? Is this a MTV Cribs?
It's gotta be.
This guy.
Mis amigos.
Ay.
Venido a la casa. La casa de Santiago, la casa de San James. Not gonna lie, off rip. Color. Mamma mia. Beautiful in that, yeah? Chairs, futon, lovely thing. And then, ahora vamos a ver la vis. Puta madre.
Shit bright.
Mírame eso, puta madre, la vista. Ya como ves,
Over here.
así como ves la televisión, for me. Look at the cover, you feel me? The details, all that.
I didn't know we had.
Bless talk. Like I said, little closet things. You know what I'm saying? Yo, just in case your clothes get dirty, fucked up. You know what I'm saying?
Shit. Oh, we got the steamer. We got the steamer.
Yo, you don't understand this is presidential shit. But listen, we paid $2,000. We gonna make sure. Ooh, we got me in baño. Oh damn. I'm trying. I don't even know how my own bathroom works. How I live in this bed, I don't know how the bathroom works. But alright, anyway. For me, como es el baño? Muy simple, muy lindo. For me, nice little shower head with the marble, the graphite.
Hold on. It's a little bit dark in here. Not anymore, gangy. Y'all see the equipment.
Feel me? But yo, listen, you see the mirror, you see the little vent, you know what I'm saying? Little mirror, whatever. You see the shower, you see the graphite, the marble, it just look good, it's swell, it's nice, simple. You see the decor on the bathroom. Did you get me? Yeah, not many places have that. Yo, what's going on? Unable to load request page.
Don't smack it.
Bring me out the plastic I can bring you.
Yo, hey, and life, man. Let me talk to him real quick. Can I talk to you real quick? It's not even my channel.
Talk to him, JT. Talk to him.
I mean, it's half of your channel.
It's half of my channel?
It's D&D, bro.
Thanks, man. That means the world to me, man.
It's big D&D on it.
That means the world to me, man.
My dog.
Like I was saying, bro, sometimes in life, man, you gotta go after what's for you. You know, so sometimes, you know what I mean? It feels deep. Just cut it and then just...
On that. Check that. I say 25. You're crazy. You're crazy.
That's little sis too. She crazy.
Lily Ski.
What's up?
Faites attention, monsieur. Faites attention.
Y'all lost me today.
Why not? Hey, yo, there's a shorty that just pulled up on us with her mother. She's like, oh, nah. Can y'all take pictures? Yo, peep this, right? Yo, Jix, look at this. She wants to take pictures with us. Come through. I'm getting flicked up, gang. Yeah. Y'all see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? What the fuck was that about?
So niggas was just chilling at the table, bro, and then he gonna come to you like, yo.
My house is kept, bro.
Dame eso.
Hola.
Espera.
Hola, papá.
¿Eres abuela? Hola, abuelas. Hola.
Hey, ves. Hola, bye, guapa.
¿A dónde van?
Oh, la piscina.
La piscina está allá.
No, espérate. Ok, cuídate, ok.
Nos vemos.
Adios. Que se cuidas. Oh, you about to get blessed. Y'all about to get blessed. Wow.
What the fuck?
What is he at? Twin! What's for me, twin? Twin! I'm fat. I'm too fat for this.
Damn, twin.
Oh, it's hot.
We had to dish the camera so we could rock with the phone for a second. I'm gonna holler at you in a second. Oh my God.
Para filmar mi amigo.
So apparently we can't take the phone on a jet ski. We can't take no camera on a jet ski. So y'all gonna watch me do my thing.
Man, it's gonna be the craziest freestyle of the trip. All right, here you go. Yeah, tight top. Yeah, bro, how they give you a busted life vest? Come on, bro. Tighten up, man.
Can I use my Crocs here?
I mean, go ahead, my brother. Oh, I ain't gonna put your toes out there, bro. I ain't gonna do you like that, bro.
We're gonna do this shit.
Well, what's happening?
We're gonna get the jet ski.
Oh, talk to me.
Real quick.
Yeah. We right here. I gotta stay right here. Can't go nowhere. Oh yeah.
All that copyright shit.
How you doing, dude?
Alright.
Yeah.
And he said, be there at 8.
Right there. What time is it?
We got 8 minutes.
8 minutes, bro. 8 minutes. Ocho.
Countdown starts
now.
Oh, and I forgot to say, it's an all-black event, so
I don't have it all black, so I'm busting down the brown. You feel me? What's up? What we busting? What we rocking? That was about to whip out his thing with a madman. Bruh. Yo, I've been scarred for life. What we talking about, gang? Which ones? What we thinking?
hold on.
I'm finna call somebody in the group. Matter of fact, let me call brother man Drix. Let me call brother man. Yo, my forehead is glistening. Why y'all niggas not telling me nothing? Yo, peep game, right? So look, I don't have an all black, unfortunately, but I'm gonna do the brown, right? I got a brown and the pants is black. You know what I'm saying? So look, my next question is, what's my shoes talking about? Feel me?
That works.
Oh shit. That nigga look good. All right, so look, what we talking money shades? Whoa.
I got you on camera.
Yo, bro. Oh yeah. Like this how we gel. This how we moving, nigga. That's what I'm talking about.
No, it's not me, bro. How y'all play for something? You know what I'm saying? That's right next to the wow.
So they can see it. Yep.
You see?
Next. Yes, ladies. Come here, Lexi. Yes.
Michael. Otra vez, por favor.
Otra vez.
Michael.
Michael, otra vez, por favor.
Ah!